Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the Kodak PixPro Friendly Zoom FZ45BK, a compact 16-megapixel digital camera designed for beginners, travelers, and anyone who wants simple photography without the complexity of a DSLR. Let's start with the basics. This camera features a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor. That means you get clear, detailed photos that are perfect for social media, school projects, travel memories, and casual photography. It's designed for simplicity. Just point, shoot, and capture. Now the 4x optical zoom is important. Optical zoom maintains image quality while bringing your subject closer. Whether you're at a school event, capturing street photography, or shooting nature from a distance, you won't lose clarity like you would with digital zoom. The 27mm wide-angle lens is actually a great feature at this price point. It allows you to capture more background in your frame, perfect for landscapes, group photos, and beginner vlogging. If you're holding it at arm's length, you can fit more into your shot. Speaking of video, it records in 1080p HD. That's full HD resolution, which is ideal for YouTube beginners or family videos. It's simple and reliable, without complicated settings. The 2.7-inch LCD screen gives you easy framing and quick playback. It's bright, responsive, and beginner-friendly. The menu system is straightforward, no technical confusion. Now here's something practical. This camera uses AA batteries. That might sound basic, but for travel, it's convenient. You can easily replace batteries anywhere without worrying about charging cables. It's lightweight, compact, and fits easily into your pocket or small bag. This makes it perfect for vacations, daily use, or as a first camera for students. Now let's pause for a moment. Is this a professional photography tool? No. But is it an affordable, easy-to-use, reliable camera for beginners and casual users? Absolutely yes. If you're upgrading from smartphone-only photography and want